Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we will check how to use Microsoft Authenticator app. So let's start. Following these steps, surely you will do it. So the first step, of course, is download the app. Install the Microsoft Authenticator app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Whatever device you have, you can download it. So the next thing, of course, is open the app. Launch the Microsoft Authenticator app on your device. Then you have to sign in. Type on sign in with Microsoft and enter your email address as your password too. So set up your account. Follow on the script instructions to set up the app on grant necessary permissions. Then add your accounts. Tap the plus icon to add your accounts. Example, Microsoft personal account, work school account, or Microsoft account like Google and Facebook. Okay, that's not. Then scan your QR code. For work school accounts, scan the QR code displayed on your computer or device. Then you have to verify, approve the sign-in or request on the SEP app. And the last step, use the app. Now, whenever you want to sign in your accounts, you will receive a notification or verification code from the app. So in this way, you can install or use the Authenticator Microsoft app very easy. I hope this steps helps you. And well guys, if this helped you, please give like to this video and subscribe to our channel.